Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. जैसे आपने पहले के वीडियो में देखा था कि we were on our way to बदामी from हॉस्पिट। बदामी प्रसिद्ध है यहाँ के केव टेम्पल्स के लिए जो कार्व किए हैं सैंडस्टोन पत्थर से अगस्तिया लेक के नज़दीक। ये केव 6th सेंचुरी में बनाए गए थे जो अकॉर्डिंग टू गूगल आज के ज़माने में द केव टेम्पल्स वुड बी अराउंड 2618 years old. Isn't that crazy? यहाँ पे टोटल में 4 केव मंदिर है जिनमें से 3 टेम्पल हिंदू गॉड के लिए है और एक डेडिकेटेड है जैनिज्म के भगवान के लिए। बदामी केव्स पहुँचने के बाद हमने हमारी कार यहाँ पे पार्किंग में पार्क की एंड वी वर ऑल सेट एंड रेडी टू चेक आउट द फेमस बदामी केव्स। आर यू गाइज रेडी टू गेट योर माइंड ब्लोन? So you have to take tickets from over here. I think per person it's 20 rupees. So now let's check out the first cave. So this is about cave 1. The first cave has an imposing entrance that is cut 18 meters above the surface and has a steep flight of stairs leading up to it. The veranda of the cave has 2 wings cut into the rock, and on the right is a fantastic 18-armed image of Lord Shiva dancing to the Tandava with his son Ganesha to his left and Nandi behind him. He is accompanied by a seated drummer as well. This carving is done on the ceiling of the cave. The wing on the cave's right is short and has a trident bearing Shivite Dwarpal or doorkeeper portrayed there. Inside the cave are some very interesting images. One of the most prominent ones is that of Lord Harihara, half Lord Vishnu and half Lord Shiva, flanked by their respective spouses, Goddess Lakshmi and Goddess Parvati. There are also images of Ganesha and Kartikeya, the sons of Lord Shiva, as well as other deities. Now let's have a closer look inside the first cave. That's a broken statue of Nandi. And that's the main shivling of the temple, which has been sitting over here for more than 2000 years. Just imagine, this whole place has been carved out from a mountain. In this shot, you will have a fair idea of how high we are from the parking lot at the first cave. Now let's go to the next cave, which is cave 2. Cave 2 lies above and to the east of cave 1. It faces north and was made sometime between the 6th century and 7th century. There are 64 steps that lead up to the cave. 64 is a very auspicious Vishnuvite number. There are a few monkeys here who fearlessly climb up these steep mountains. So you do have to be careful with any eatables you carry around here. Best advice, do not carry any. Here is some more information about Cave 2. You can pause the video and read it if you want to. That right there is Cave 2 and the mountain from which it has been carved. which is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Images of Trivikrama and Varaha dominate this cave, with Gana panels seen below the images. Now let's step inside the temple and have a closer look at all the beautiful carvings. And if you cannot tell by these videos, literally the whole cave has been carved out from this mountain. And obviously 2000 years ago, everything was literally carved by hand and some simple tools. Just have a look at the detailing and for how many years this detailing has stayed here on these rocks. The Trivikrama panel has an image of Lord Vishnu in his Vamana form, the form taken by him before he reveals himself to Trivikrama. Honestly, this was one of those places in which I did not know what to shoot, as everything was just too beautiful and I was mesmerized and lost in the artwork. There are also many friezes from important Hindu texts, which include the Samudra Manthan, the birth of Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna playing the flute. The main idol of the temple is no longer present here. Here is a quick glance of how high we are from the ground at Cave 2. Also from this height, you can see the Agastya lake and some of the other temples surrounding it. There was this one place while going up to Cave 3 which I climbed up to, and it actually gives a very nice view of the place. That right there was the viewpoint. Now we are heading towards Cave 3 and Cave 4, जिसका वीडियो और 2 दिन में चैनल पे आएगा, तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाइए टू स्टे नोटिफाइड। आशा करता हूँ कि आपको ये मेरा आज का वीडियो पसंद आया रहेगा। Thank you so much for watching, subscribing and sharing my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Take care and peace.